Welcome once more to FM Bazaar. This is Badly Brought Up, presented to you. This is the English news. First, the headings. Zakarinko, a Cameroonian Ndamba journalist of the Commentation Way that was kicked the bucket on the 4th of June 2017, was to be buried on the 5th of August 2017. They have catched a group of stealers them that was Tuankunyam and 38 Ngongos of Mfunge in the Douala of Cameroon. The Cameroonian bush followed them in the bush have denied that the government dedication that was go to hold a small jangi with them in the peaceful way shall not hold no one and jangi. Now the news in full. Zakarinko, a Cameroonian Ndamba journalist that in the Commentation Way that was kicked the bucket on the 4th of June 2017, was to be buried on the 5th of August 2017. Uncle Zak is a Cameroonian commentator that Oma was new because of the way of commenting the Ndamba. When Zak was commenting the Ndamba in the radio, you shall hear the Ndamba and you shall be like say UCSF was there in the terrain. Even the time that when they want to mbunja the Cameroonian side, he shall highlight that danger in the Cameroon side and people that had them shall get it. This is why plenty people then was dig Zakariko and they was came to die crying to come and tell that where Papa Aishaya you have died, you go you and rest because you have do you a fine job here. You was a war. They have catched a group of 8 stealers them in the Douala of Cameroon that was going to Ankunyam and 38 Ngongos of Mfunge in the Douala of Cameroon. When they was catch them, they was ask them that how does them do to thief and to 38 Ngongos of Mfunge that they was not catch them. And they was explained to them, them that they was enter in the Nyatika way and steal the Ngongos with the Mfunge them inside and give it to their party man to go and palm it in a very different party that another party man shall come and toot it and vanish in the Gogo. The Cameroonian government was sent a dedication to go and hold a peaceful jangi in the Storian way with the Cameroonian bush follow them in the Belgium, in the South Africa, in the USA of America, and in the UK of Britain. But when there was there, Cha'a was bad because the bush follow them was chole them in a stroking way that they shall not hold no one and jangi. But the one that was near was that the Cameroonian bush follow them in the Belgium was shin and struck in a very strong way that they was go and wish and quickly the minister, a bodyguard, that he was tumbled aside and now on the floor as if he was fair but in jingle. Today that people then will say that where this kind of thing like that is not fine. Why shall them does this to that man? But other one they were saying that it was a by mistake quickly that led to the jingle falling. A Cameroonian designer that they are called that TC design, that they are also called in the Facebook that Taco Crew, have came out a nyang way of African design that have plenty fine touch them. This man is an international younger man in the Nchinge way, that when he have make you one nice Nchinge, you shall bottle it and your friend them shall look you and unbend hands and say that child boy, you have served. Yeah, because your Nchinge is a die. Another Cameroonian Anglophonies that are a stuffong in a modern technologies have came out with a offensive information security company that they have called it that Zoix. Zoix is there in Limbe and is a company that is a dead in technology. These men them can make you a GPX and a Kongosaring security system in your motor cars or in your bungalow that if someone wants to steal your motor cars or push your bungalow and enter by force, your bungalow or your motor cars shall send the man a message that child why came fast because men they want to me. Zoix have also organizing a 2-month practical workshop in web development in HTML5, CSS3, PHP programming. Yes, these men them are a die, and if you go there and hear this workshop, that shall be started on the 28th of August to the 23rd of October, you shall know why website management. This program is to be 80,000, but because of FM Bazaar fan package, I have cut them down to 30,000 for the first 30 people them that shall go there to go and register. For more information on how the program shall work, you can contact Zoix at www.zoix.com. That was today's edition of FM Bazaar. For previous episodes and updates from FM Bazaar, subscribe to FM Bazaar on YouTube and keep sharing.